How to add card on PayPal. Let's go. Open the app. Click on these three horizontal lines in the corner. Next, add banks and cards. And here we got two options, banks or debit card or credit card. I'm gonna add debit card. You can scan your card or enter your card info. In this case, I'm gonna enter my card. Also make sure your billing address is correct. You can change it here and just simply click on link card. And now you linked your card. Click all done for now. And now if you click on wallet, you can see your card here. Click on it. And here you can simply give it a nickname or change the currency, edit your security code, or just simply remove this card like this. And that's it. This is how can you add your card to PayPal. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you later.